When the Tony billionaires of Beverly Hills want the very finest in custom caffeination, they don't go to some chain coffee shop. They go to Aharon's Coffee and Roasting Company in the very heart of downtown Beverly Hills for the perfect coffee pour-over, because he is the
I'm going to start with first rinsing the paper and the vessel that we're going to have only coffee flavor with it. Put it in my drip tray. Scaling the coffee, how many grams we have. So we have 26 grams. We're gonna start the bloom stage. The bloom stage is about 45 seconds. We put about twice of the amount of the coffee we have with water. So what I do, it's 1 grams of coffee, 15 grams of water. So that's the ratio. I have a circular way of moving the spout, so I don't pour in one place. So you have to move it in a circular way in order that you're gonna have a flat ground area underneath the level of the water that's gonna extract everything nicely. Also, I have a timer over here that I put a timer that I want to finish the coffee between 2.5 to 4 minutes. And I keep looking at the scale to make sure I'm not gonna be over. All right, now we're gonna finish drip and your cup is gonna be ready.